Hey friends, welcome back to LlamaMamaKayla's Yarn Tube. Today I am unboxing a new doll. So let's get with it because I'm excited and I cannot wait to get this doll unboxed. I don't know the best way to get into it. Sure hope there's okay, it is. It's another box on the inside, so that's good. I was hoping I wasn't hurting nothing. Okay. Can you pull that, dump it out? Keep looking. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I'm so excited. I have been waiting on this and it's here. Okay, here we go. Are y'all excited as I am? Whoa. I'm just going to untie her. Try to get her out. Oh, goodness. Whoa, look at that foot. Oh, my gosh. She is number 1,428. I don't know how many, but oh, there's her tag for her arm. I'll tell you about her in a minute. I'm just excited to get her out of the box. Wow. Okay, let's see. Oh my goodness. Oh, Dakota, will you pull that box? She's a little heavy for me. Oh. Look at her hair. It's so pretty. Okay, can you see her face? Oh, man. Look at her big old hands. Okay, so she's dressed as a ballet doll. So this is Laura from Ashton Drake Galleries. She's 31 inches tall. And she is, completely movable. She has joints in her shoulders, her elbows, not her wrist. So she's completely posable. Her head turns. Oh, and her hair is just beautiful. I love the little space buns. And then her hips are movable. Her knees are movable. And she can be posed in different ways. Isn't she just beautiful? Look at her face. I love that you can see her teeth. I'm just kind of taking away with her here because she's just really, really pretty. Okay, so she is, like I said, by Ashton Drake, and her given name from them is Laura, but I don't think I'm going to name her Gianna. I'm not quite set on it all the way yet, but that's what I'm leaning towards. So we'll see. Anyway, I have big plans for her to help me out with my crochet items. So, yeah, let's see how she is standing up. Let's see. She's gonna be too tall for that. But I just wanted to show y'all all the way around, and then show you, a close-up of her hands and of her face. And then her feet. She has pretty large feet. I read somewhere that she can wear a size toddler, size 7 shoe. I'll try that out and let y'all know. I'll be sharing videos about her and tell you more information about her. Dakota, could you pull that table over so I can stand her up on the floor? She's perfect height to stand there at the table. I'm very excited about her. I think she's just beautiful. And she agrees. Her hands are like big. And her feet, I guess I'm surprised at how big her body actually is. That's awesome. I want to make sure her eyes are, yeah. She's fine. First I thought her eyelashes were messed up. I think they're good. Okay. Hey guys, I'm back. I wanted to share a little more about my doll that I did the box opening of. I was so excited to do that box opening because I had wanted her, and I was just so excited to get her. I don't know what information I actually told or anything, but she is an Ashton Drake doll. She's the child-sized doll, 31 inches tall, and her name from Ashton Drake is Laura, and she was created by Monique Living. I'm not sure how you say the name. Let's see if I can show you there. I don't know if that's showing up. Anyway, she's a very pretty doll. She's a full vinyl body, and she is just beautiful. She has a little small face, and her hair is a little bit messy because I'm in the process of making 2 dresses for her, and so I have to keep trying them on her as I'm making them, and so her hair is a little messy from that, but that's the way she came as a ballerina doll. She has on a darker pink one-piece, like a onesie bodysuit that snaps, and then she has a pink tutu on, and then light pink tights, and then she has some little pink ballet shoes, and in her hair she has little bows on each side of with her space buns. But she's so cute, so pretty, and like I said, I'm in the process of crocheting 2 dresses for her, and she has went on a shopping trip to Once Upon a Child, and I'll insert a picture of her in the buggy at Once Upon a Child. And there was a lot of people that kind of, as they walked by the aisle, they stopped and was like, I thought that was a real kid sitting on top of that buggy. But I took her in and I told the lady at the desk, I said, I'm bringing her in because I want to see what size clothes she wears. And she's like, oh, that's fine. So she does wear a size 6 toddler shoe, and she can wear 2 toddler clothes, like a smallish 2 toddler, especially if they're used clothes and have been washed a lot and have shrunk down a little bit. Brand new clothes, she might wear more of like 18 to 24 months. But I did find a couple of items at thrift stores that had been washed repeatedly. And so they were, shrunk down just a little. And she was able to wear those. I think one pair of pants I got her is a 3 toddler. I only got her one pair of pants. And they were a 3 toddler. And so, the light cut off, but maybe you can still see her. And then I've got her a pair of 2 pair of shoes from a thrift store that were like $2 a piece. So that was good. But yeah, I wanted to make dresses for her, and she will be appearing in my future videos, helping show some of my crochet items. And so I'm excited about that, and to use her as a prop with my crochet items. And I think it'll be a lot of fun, and I hope that you'll watch and enjoy those videos as well. So yes, thanks for watching, and I'll see you all guys soon.